Cindy, you should consider doing an internship this summer. They're incredibly valuable.
Really? How so?
Well, for one, you gain real-world experience. It's not just theoretical. You apply what you've learned in the classroom.
That sounds practical.
Plus, internships are like extended interviews. Many companies hire their interns full-time after graduation.
Wow, that's a foot in the door.
But wait, there's more. You build a professional network. You meet people who can become mentors, or even recommend you for future opportunities.
Networking is crucial, right?
Absolutely. And you get to explore your career interests. Sometimes, an internship helps you realize what you don't want to do, which is just as important.
I want that clarity.
Lastly, internships look fantastic on your resume. They show employers you're proactive and committed to your field.
Thanks, Diana. I'm sold on internships. I'll start looking for one right away.